Welcome back guys, welcome back to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. Some people are not subscribing, please subscribe to it and press the bell icon. You will get the notification whenever I make a video. Today I am unboxing Bosch pick and click tough screwdriver bit set. Let's unbox the package. This is the package guys. Here we are having, let me show closely. This is the package. These are tough bits, extra hard bits. Here we are having Phillips, two Phillips, one slotted and one torque bits. Here we are having Phillips and Posey bits. Here we are having slotted and what we call this Allen key bits. Here we have given some torque bits. These are this is a bit holder, and these are some socket type of bits with a 1/4 hex shank given. These bits are also having 1/4 hex shank. Let's open the package and see. Very hard package has been given. This is one screwdriver given with this nice screwdriver with a extra rubber grip. This is the package guys. You can see here there are some bigger bits given which we can use in an impact driver. Here we are having torque bits, which in normal language we call it the math star bits. Here we are having Phillips PH1, PH2, PH3, and here we are having poly bits PZ1, PZ2, PZ3. Here we are having slotted. Here we are having again torque bits. Here a bit extension has been given, and here some sockets has been given. This closes like this. Nice package and very good quality box has been given for this. That's it, guys. That is my unboxing and review of Bosch 44 piece extra hard bit set. Thanks for